Well, I don't think I've ever had so many problems getting a board to fit right. So we're going to go to desperate measures, break the plumb bob out. What happened was, I brought my boards across the top of this gable above the window, and I brought them down below. And unfortunately, rough cut isn't always exactly, it's not always exactly 10 inches wide. Sometimes it gets a little under, a little over. Sometimes they get off of the sawmill a little bit. So it's kind of screwing me here. So this thing, I need a plumb line to measure off of, because I've had this thing up here 5 or 6 times. It's starting to kind of piss me off a little bit. So let's see if we can get some accurate measurements. See what happens. Alright, so I've shortened this up from a 10-inch board to a 9-inch board because I messed that other board up assuming that things were in line. I've had it down, I can't tell you how many times. You see in the time lapse it came in and out quite a bit. So we're going to shorten the width of that board to 9 inches. That way I'm not wasting an entire board. And I've got my plumb bob set up. All I'm going to do is just take reference measurements from every corner. So we got the bottom corner, we're just going to butt up to the other board. We got the corner of the window frame down here, and we got the corner of the window frame up above. Hopefully if I do it like that, hopefully we can save this little bit of a shit show tonight. One board, one damn board all night. Terrible. Alright, let's see if we can make this friggin' thing work. Wouldn't be right if we didn't break the chisel out, would it? Get these corners cleaned out. So I'm trying to make these around the windows pretty tight. Even though it's green, it's going to shrink, it's going to dry. I still want it as tight as I can to keep the gaps as small as I can before we get to our finished siding. Oh, let's see if this is going to work this time. What a pain in the ass this has been. course, you know, it helps if you cut the right damn line. Holy cow. It's usually a major help if you cut the right line. Oh well. Funny how most errors are human error. You guys know I have no lack of that. I'm getting seriously pissed off here. I have cut massive joinery in this building that has fit together the first time. The first time. And this dirty bastard won't go together the way I want. What is your problem? Son of a bitch. I tell you, if this thing doesn't want to fit this time, I'm going to ride the Screw It Express, get myself a big ass can of caulk, or tube of caulk, and I'm going to caulk the shit out of it. That'll teach it to mess with me, right? Holy cow, what a night. I don't know how many more ways I could do this or check these measurements, so this better work. Take that. Alright, let's see if we get another moment of frustration. This is my last attempt of the night. We'll come back at it with a fresh mind if this doesn't work. Let's see what happens. I think I can. sleep tonight. No, I didn't say anything. Well, I guess I did say a few things about this piece of wood's mother. Of course, you blame the floorboard when it's your own fault. Honestly, have no idea what I was messing up. I just did the same exact damn thing. Well, one rotten scumbag board up tonight. What a pain in the ass. I can execute fine timber frame joinery and do it accurately, and I can get it to fit the first time without any screwing around. I get a simple little board, and it just kicked my ass for an entire evening. Just, jeez. Oh, well, what do you do? At least we got one on there now, and it's fit. The rest of it will fly, believe it or not, but jeez, that was kind of on the realm of sad and pathetic. But, well, at least we have a trap door built, right? So that hole's closed up in the floor. That's a good thing. I wanted to be done and have this closed in by the weekend, or by this week, but it's just been so much going on. It's crazy. You know, tonight I got out here kind of late, got home, and had to do the cow thing, take care of livestock, all that good stuff, and, you know, that's where we're at, but it is what it is. We'll just keep plugging. Oh boy, a lot of swearing tonight, a whole lot of cussing tonight. Probably more than there should be, but unfortunately when I'm one of those people, when I get frustrated, that's what starts to happen. But you guys ever notice that, like I said earlier, most error is human error? Now that's that's what we had going on tonight. And I got it to fit the last time, and I don't even know what the hell I did differently that time, but it fit like a glove that time. So we'll see what happens. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one as much as I didn't enjoy making this one. But there again, we show the mistakes and we show the successes. One goes with the other. And I can't come out here every time and act like I'm some kind of a pro who knows everything. So that is one of our other goofy mistakes. But be honest with yourself. How many of you have done the same thing? I'll bet you a few. So anyway, have a good night, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one.